Welcome to Code with Hafiz. Today we are kicking off a brand new power packed series on n8n automation, and we are doing it the right way using Docker for clean, fast and professional setups. In this first class, I will show you how to build your very first workflow in n8n, step by step, beginner friendly, and with real world automation examples. If you want to master automation, build smart flows, and unlock the full power of n8n for your projects, then this series is your new home. Hit like, subscribe, and let's launch your automation journey. In this class, you see we build a flow. We have a chat node and the AI agent node and the OpenAI chat model node. So if I write hi there, how can I help you? You see the workflow is working and the response is coming with session ID. Let me show you the response. What I get here. Hello, I am here to help you. How can I assist you? What is AI? The OpenAI model is responding and all the workflow is working fine. As you see, AI stands for artificial intelligence. Let me show you the complete response as much as. So as you see, I am getting the response from OpenAI chat LLM. So this is just a demo, and what behind this is running and how I build this. Let me show this. As you see, I just open a CMD command prompt. Here I run two commands. The first command is docker volume create n8n underscore data. Before running this command in CMD, you must have a Docker installed in your system. So we have already installed the Docker in my system, and then I run docker volume create n8n underscore data, this command inside my CMD. So when I run this, in the response this will give n8n underscore data when this command will successfully run. And the next command is this one, docker run underscore hyphen it hyphen rm hyphen name n8n hyphen p, and the port is 5678 and the hyphen v n8n underscore data. And this, when this command will run, this command will give you this response. First it will download all the images and then it will be installed in Docker container. And as you see here, all the things related n8n execution on the Docker will done. And in the response you will see this HTTP localhost. You have to copy this. When this will run successfully, you will get this. You have to just copy this and you have to paste here. So here, as you see, you have to create an account workflow, and if you already create an account, so this will show you this one when you copy and paste this. So if I click on home and if I click on my workflow, and here I create my workflow. So this is for today, and we are going to build from scratch in upcoming videos. So don't forget to subscribe and like. Thanks for watching.